Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best women hiking boots that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're tackling rugged terrains or planning a casual day hike, these boots are designed to keep your feet comfortable and supported. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the NORTIV 8 Women's Waterproof Hiking Boots Outdoor Trekking Backpacking Mountaineering Lightweight Boots. If you're looking for an ultra-affordable option that doesn't compromise on waterproofing and durability, this is a solid choice. These boots are designed to handle light to moderate hiking conditions, featuring a waterproof synthetic upper and a reinforced rubber toe cap for added protection. The design is lightweight and functional, with a breathable mesh lining that helps keep your feet cool and comfortable during warmer conditions. However, the materials might feel less premium compared to other options on this list, and the cushioning in the midsole is less robust, making it less ideal for long or technical hikes. It's a great option for beginners or occasional hikers who want a dependable pair of boots without breaking the bank. The NORTIV 8 boots offer excellent value for their price, particularly for day hikers and those tackling less challenging trails. While they may not provide the same level of long-term durability or advanced comfort features as higher-end models, they're a fantastic budget-friendly choice. Pros include affordability, lightweight design, and decent waterproofing. The cons: limited support for ultra-demanding hikes and slightly less durable materials. Coming in at number 4, we have the Columbia Women's Newton Ridge Plus Hiking Boot. This budget-friendly option combines style and functionality, making it a popular pick for casual hikers who want dependable performance. The boot features a full-grain leather upper with suede accents, offering a lightweight yet durable build. Its Omni-Grip outsole provides excellent traction, ensuring you stay stable on various terrains. One of the standout features is its Tech-Lite midsole, which delivers superior cushioning and high-energy return. However, unlike the amped-up version we'll discuss later, this model isn't fully waterproof, so it's better suited for dry conditions or light rain. The design is sleek and versatile, making it a great choice for transitioning from the trail to casual outings. For $75.99, the Newton Ridge Plus is an excellent value for hikers on a budget. It's a reliable choice for day hikes and moderate trails, but might not be the best for wet or highly challenging conditions. Pros include affordability, lightweight construction, and decent comfort. Cons: limited waterproofing and slightly less robust support for technical hikes. Taking the third spot is the Columbia Women's Transverse Hike Waterproof Boot. Designed for those who prioritize comfort and protection, this boot offers a great balance of durability and lightweight performance. It features a waterproof, breathable construction that keeps your feet dry and comfortable, even in wet conditions. The leather build is both stylish and durable, ensuring these boots hold up well on the trail. The Transverse Hike boots also come equipped with responsive cushioning, providing all-day comfort for longer hikes. The outsole offers solid traction on a range of surfaces, making it a dependable option for various terrains. However, the design leans more toward lightweight performance, so if you're carrying a heavy pack or tackling particularly rugged terrain, you might want something with more ankle support. Priced at $80.50, this boot is a fantastic all-rounder. It's perfect for hikers who need a versatile option that performs well in most conditions. Pros include excellent waterproofing, comfort, and durability. On the downside, it offers slightly less robust support for heavy-duty trails compared to premium models. At number 2, we have the Merrell Women's Moab 3 Mid Waterproof Hiking Boot. Known as one of the best-selling hiking boots in the world, the Moab line has a reputation for out-of-the-box comfort and outstanding versatility. The Moab 3 takes things up a notch with a more supportive insole, a softer midsole for extra cushioning, and a grippier Vibram outsole for superior traction. What sets the Moab 3 apart is its combination of recycled materials and innovative design. The partially recycled fabrics add an eco-friendly touch, while the waterproof membrane ensures your feet stay dry in wet conditions. The mid-cut design provides ample ankle support, making it a great choice for technical trails or uneven terrain. However, the price range varies, and some may find it slightly less affordable than other options in this lineup. For $80.15, the Moab 3 offers premium features at a mid-range price. It's an excellent choice for hikers looking for durability, comfort, and all-purpose performance. Pros include exceptional traction, eco-friendly materials, and great comfort. Cons: slightly heavier than some lightweight models and not the cheapest option available. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Columbia Women's Newton Ridge Plus Waterproof Amped Hiking Boot. This premium option combines everything you could want in a hiking boot: durability, waterproofing, comfort, and style. The full-grain leather upper is treated with a waterproof membrane, making it perfect for tackling wet and muddy trails. The Omni-Grip non-marking outsole ensures exceptional traction on all surfaces, from rocky paths to slippery slopes. The TechLite lightweight midsole delivers long-lasting comfort with superior cushioning and high energy return, making it ideal for extended hikes. What sets this boot apart is its versatility. It's rugged enough for challenging trails, but stylish enough for casual wear. It also comes in a variety of colors, so you can pick a pair that matches your style. At $92.43, this is the most expensive option on our list, but the value it offers is undeniable. It's an excellent investment for hikers who want a boot that performs well in virtually any condition. Pros include outstanding waterproofing, exceptional comfort, and premium build quality. Cons: higher price point and slightly heavier than ultra-lightweight models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.